Hi all, welcome to the Healing Bindu. So today I will give you some tips to cure your cold and cough during this rainy season with the help of colors. So what you need to do is you must be having sketch pens at home. So kindly take one sketch pen and put a red color here and red color this side, red color here and red color this side. Keep it for 3 to 4 hours. Your cold and cough will go away. In case if you need further information, please do connect with me on 8600723551. Like, share and subscribe please. If possible, do share stars on my reels and my posts. Thank you.